In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily get birthday notifications on the Facebook app. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon to access your options. Next, tap on the gear icon to go to Settings Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section called Preferences. In this section, tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you see the birthday item and tap on it. First, make sure that Allow Notifications on Facebook is turned on. If it's disabled, activate it. Once that's done, you can configure how you would like to receive these notifications. Ensure that push notifications are enabled, which means you will receive birthday notification directly on your device. You can also activate notifications via email and SMS if you prefer those methods. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.